how to fix Snapchat camera black screen. First, you need to get off from your application. Then simply you need to go on your Play Store, which is so important to know about it when you open up it and when you take off on the search box, which is on your upper side. And without any wasting time, you simply tap for Snapchat, you go on it, and right here you need to go for that application, and you need to make sure that this button it is for open. If there is an option which is called update, that means that you don't have the latest version on Snapchat, and you need to get it by clicking on it and then waiting to get the full site of the protecting site, which is from the Play Protect section on your Google Play Store. After you get that selection, you get off from here, and then simply you need to go to your settings on your phone. Then you need to scroll down and go for applications. Right after that, you need to go on your upper side and tap on the search box and type again for Snapchat, and just go for that application and go on the third selection, which is storage. After you go on storage, you need to go on clear data on your first site selection, which is on your left side. You go clear data, you go OK, and then it helps to get up and help you to fix the problem. If it's not, you need also to restart your phone by clicking right over here and then go power off. And after you get on the power on your system side on your phone, you're going to be available to see if the problem has been fixed.